Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer webinars into DaVinci Resolve for chapter cuts, full guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Name your project appropriately, for instance, Webinar Edit. Click Create to enter the project workspace. Import your webinar footage by clicking on the Media tab at the bottom. Navigate to the folder where your webinar file is stored. Drag and drop the file into the media pool. Once your footage is imported, click on the Edit tab. Drag the webinar footage from the media pool to the timeline. Play through the footage to identify the start and end points for your chapters. Use the playhead to mark the positions where you want to cut. To create a cut, position the playhead and click the blade tool in the toolbar. Click at the marked points to split the video into sections. Select each section you want to edit or title for the chapters. Right-click on a section to rename it, providing clear chapter titles. Adjust the timing of the clips as needed for a smooth transition. If necessary, add any effects or text overlays to enhance each chapter. Once satisfied with the edits, navigate to the Deliver tab. Choose your preferred export settings for the final video. Select a destination for the exported file. Click Add to Render Queue to queue your project for export. Finally, click Start Render to begin exporting your edited webinar. Your finalized video with chapter cuts is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.